Hello, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Pi Network browser app has been not working. Pi Network browser has been not working. The error problem. The Pi Network browser. First of all, open the Pi Network browser and same procedure, but any error problem. Pi Network browser open, but error problems. Let me the checking the Pi network browser open the error problem. We are country experience and technical issue and the app of temporarily unable to do not uninstall it. This app do not active to create a new account. You are available and to access it the app again and once you are backing to error problem the 70s problems but any solve the issue and press the by network browser and app information open the selected an app information second the storage and cache open the storage and caches second step the open the play store and updated new version updated now and technical problem but share the official X tutor handle the Pi network social speed team the chatting and share the error problem and solution update your new error problems.